taller than you, that's wider than you, and also sparring with people who might be shorter than you, and knowing how to deal with all these different, situations. Okay. I thank y'all for the comments. Y'all stay blessed. Keep down the stress. I think we're gonna keep this to 20 minutes today. If I don't see nobody in here commenting. Country, okay. And thank y'all for coming in. Listen, I gave you the tips. Okay, let me see if I wrote down any more. And don't forget, more gathers more. You don't have to have 1,000 tips to be able to get better in sparring, as long as you are using what knowledge you have and getting better at using it. Okay? So let me just double check that. Here we go. Is it right here? Yes, it's right here. So just to recap, focus on technique. Developing your techniques, and you don't got to worry about when. Also, learn how to bait the opponent in. That's right, into making a mistake. Bait and lure them into making a mistake so that you can capitalize on their mistakes. That's right, bait them in. You might have to throw the hand out there. You know what I'm saying? They respond to that hand, and then you hit them with your plan, right? Yeah. So know how to do the bait. Sometimes you could also use fakes. For those who knows about fakes, yeah, we see it in basketball all the time. You think they're going this way, but their main thing was they wanted to go that way. And then they hit you with a jump shot with a J, right? Or they might have dunked on your butt, right? So footwork, there go that footwork again. That footwork, that's also connected to the fakes, okay? Yes, for those who know about basketball. And also don't forget about the slow sparring, which also connects to also speeding it up, right? And then going faster. And then don't forget the other tip, where you could also go more aggressively. And you might think that speeding it up means more aggressive. It could be to a certain degree. But also, what we did was we would just put on the body, the chest. We would put on the shin pads, the head, the mouthpiece, and then hit a little bit more harder. Or as hard as we want it, and train ourselves that way too. So that's just a few tips, y'all, that you can use. Let me just give you one more from experience. Put on a weight vest. When you put on a weight vest, it's almost like putting on another 50 to 100 pounds. And you feel like, oh man, I'm out of shape. You're going to feel like you're out of shape. You're going to be moving slower. But guess what? It's challenged your muscles. So when you take it off, you're going to be moving much faster. And you're going to, listen, when you take it off, it's going to feel like, wow, I feel like I'm back in my 20s. All right? Or when you was at the peak of your training. I don't know where you at, but that's why you got to let me know. But once again, depending on where you at, when you put that weight vest on and then you take it off, it's almost like you just did 25 to 30 repetitions, and then you took the weights out your hands, and you know how your hands is going to feel after that. So that also is another tip. Put those weights in your hands. Put those weights in your hands, 5 pounds, 8 pounds. Start striking with them. All right? Start striking with them. Also, make sure you get back to that pad work. Just to recap, hit them pads. If you can't get a partner to fight, to spar with, spar with, get the pad work done. Which also connects to one of the most important keys, shadow boxing. Yes, very important. You thought maybe the pad work was more effective, but I read that the shadow boxing, they all connect together, but the shadow boxing is even more important. And if you don't agree, I would like to know, because I'm into learning more. Y'all stay blessed, no stress. And I'm going to get ready to go. If you miss any other tips, go back or just ask me, and I'll put them in the comments. Okay? All right, y'all. I'll put up some more videos in a few. I'm over here, got to do what I got to do, because I want to be able to bring the experts in, some more experts in, so that y'all could get all the meat. And also, we got better clarity on the visuals and techniques when we get this new laptop we're about to get. Stay blessed, no stress. Master Ty. Thank y'all for coming in. Let me know where y'all tuning in from. And if you did your training in. What up? India's in the building. We're going to be coming out there soon. So look out for us. We're going to be coming out there to India soon. Look out for us. We're going to be coming out there and also doing the videos on what y'all be studying out there. Because I know what y'all be studying out there. All right?